Hello everybody, welcome to Art by Arnab. So I would like to thank you all from the bottom of my heart for the kind of tremendous response that you have given to the first few videos. It's been a week and the kind of response that you are giving to the videos are amazing. It is definitely motivating me to make more and more new videos for you. So thank you all. Many times we used to do scratch marks or some scribbles, random scribbles on the paper just to test the quality of the ink or the kind of paper we are using. But have we ever thought that this kind of scratches or random scribbles can be a very good starting point for your art? So in this episode, we will be using those scribbles and scratches to make new arts. So let's get started. Welcome to Art by Arnab. So in this episode, we will be using Octan multicolored gels to do our artwork. So we will be using multiple shapes using these gels, and on this paper we'll be making different scribbles, different marks and different shapes. So I'm picking the red gel first and I'm just making some very scribble lazy shapes, and let's see what happens next. So now I have got my shape, a very lousy, lazy, rounded shapes. Next I'm making very pointy triangles, and it makes some stars and it makes some pointed edges or something, but it is kind of pointed and sharp. Next I take my green gel and I start making some rounded shape, but this time it is more of round and less of messy shape. So it is like stack of wools or balls kept on each other. Now I take my pink gel and just make some straight lines. The lines from different directions, and they make some different pattern. So now I start thinking, what should I make? The first thing that I told you is like woolly ball shape, and then the idea struck into my mind that why not a shape out of this wool? So I made it. The trick is that you have to let your mind free, as I told in my previous video, and the same applies here also. Just think about some random things and make shapes out of them. So here I am sketching another thing. This time I think these shapes or lines are very mechanical in nature, and hence I thought of something like a mechanical tiger. The eyes, ears, mouth, and some points. Some circuit kind of shape. And I make the eyes golden. Next I have these triangles. Now these are pointed shape, and as you know, like the pointed shape means that some kind of crude, shrewd, or some kind of treacherous shapes. So I make some kind of porcupine, which is not a very good character, and maybe some kind of villain. So I continue with the shapes and make the barbs out of them. So those are pointed barbs, and he is slowly sneaking into something. The pose is something like that. I add some shades to put some more depth to the character. Next I am moving to this one. So this is kind of very lazy and lousy shapes. So I thought, let's make a tortoise out of it. So the idea is you have to basically go with the shape. You have to ideate in your mind like what kind of shape it is, what your mind is feeling about it, and what is the immediate thing that is coming into your mind. And I would say just go with that flow. So here you can see I added the shell, now the hind legs. I also add some nails to it, some shading, and then I fill the textured pattern with some kind of fills to give some more feel or pattern to it. That's all for this session. Hope you liked it and see you in the next episode. Wait guys, just don't switch off the video. I have something to say. Yes, you got it right. I would tell you to like, subscribe, but most important of all, I would request you to comment, because when you comment, I can understand what more you want from this channel or what kind of videos you're expecting. So the more you comment, the more you express yourself, it will be helpful for me and my channel to give you more and more better videos. So please comment, and obviously do like and subscribe and share. And don't forget to press the bell button, because the new videos that I upload will be notified when you press the bell button. So do that. Until then, bye-bye.